Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 25. In AD 43, Emperor Claudius launched a bold invasion of Britain, aiming to succeed where previous Roman attempts had failed. What set this campaign apart was his use of war elephants, a terrifying sight never before seen by the native Britons. These massive armoured beasts, possibly ridden by archers, struck fear into the hearts of the British defenders, playing a crucial role in the Roman victory. Claudius's innovative use of psychological warfare through these imposing animals was key to the successful conquest of Britain, a land that had long resisted Roman control. This strategic move led to a Roman occupation that lasted nearly 400 years, marking Claudius's invasion with the war elephants as a uniquely formidable tactic in ancient military history.